Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create an account on Chrono24. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to chrono24.com and you'll be greeted by a website looking something like this. Now when you're here you can see that we have a lot of different options. So you can go and buy a watch by clicking here. Here you can see all the brands, categories and services which you can choose from. You can click on sell a watch, where you can go sell it as a private seller, or you can go and sell it as a professional dealer. Those are two options. We have the magazines, where you can go and see some magazines about some watches. Also, when we go back on the screen, we have the you can watch a collection, so you can start your own collections here. And also we have the Chrono Plus, and also we have the frequently asked questions and buy protection. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create an account. So basically what you need to do is click on in the top right corner on the login or register. Then here you need to go and click on create a free account now. Then you need to go and type your email here. So just a second. And then put your password. And then just click on register for free. Then you just need to wait a few seconds. Then, so it said that my password is not good for this account, but for this platform, but then you can go and type another one that is much longer and click on register for free. And that's basically guys how you can do it. These steps you can skip and you have your account. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.